Hello everyone, welcome back to my dailylife.lk YouTube channel. Today I've got a delicious and quick recipe for you. If you are a fan of chicken liver or looking to try something new, you are in for a treat. If you are in for this, get ready with these ingredients. First of all, wash chicken liver and put them into a bowl. Add salt, turmeric, chili powder, coriander leaves, ginger powder, cinnamon, garam masala, mustard paste and mix them all well. After mixing, we need to let it marinate around 20 to 30 minutes. Then heat oil in a pan and add cumin seeds, cardamom and cloves. Add green chilies and curry leaves into this. After that, add sliced onions and saute them until they turn translucent. You can add ginger garlic paste and pepper as per your taste. After that, add marinated chicken liver and cook around 2 minutes under high heat. Then reduce the heat to medium and cook around 10 to 15 minutes until chicken liver cooks fully. Before we end the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out any of my tasty recipes. Next day, I am going to share a delicious Italian recipe with you. See you soon with that video.